In this video, I'll show you how to take notes on Udemy effectively. Taking notes while watching Udemy courses helps you remember important ideas, organize what you learn, and review lessons faster later. Instead of only watching videos, note-taking helps you turn the course into real knowledge you can use. First, open Udemy in your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. Go to My Learning, then open the course you want to study. Before starting the lesson, prepare a place for your notes. You can use a notebook, Google Docs, Notion, OneNote, Apple Notes, or any note-taking app you prefer. Choose something easy to access so you can review your notes anytime. Next, write the course name, section title, and lecture title at the top of your notes. This makes it easier to find the right notes later, especially if you are taking more than one course. As the instructor explains the lesson, do not try to write every word. Focus on the main ideas, important definitions, step-by-step instructions, examples, formulas, shortcuts, and anything the instructor repeats or highlights. If the course is technical, write down commands, code snippets, settings, or formulas carefully. You can also add short explanations in your own words so you understand what each step means. A good method is to pause the video after an important point and summarize it in one or two sentences. This helps you understand the lesson instead of just copying information. You can also add timestamps beside important notes. For example, write minute 5, setup explanation. This makes it easy to return to that part of the video later. After finishing each lecture, quickly review your notes, highlight the most useful points, and write down any questions you still have. Finally, apply what you learned. Practice the steps, complete the exercises, or create a small project using your notes as a guide. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.